everybody, it's Jennifer from Farm Fresh Fabrics here again. Today I'm going to show you a new kit that we have available to purchase in the store for either for curbside pickup or you can purchase it online for shipping. This is called the Runaround Bag. It's a lazy girl design, but you don't need a pattern to make it. And each panel, each kit that we're going to offer will make 2 bags. And we have 2 colorways to show you too. This one hanging up here is called the navy colorway. It's mostly purple and turquoise and navy. Like I said, this panel here is all you need to make 2 bags. The bags are about 7 by 9, just a little bit bigger than that probably. They're a really cute bag to put your keys and your wallet and your sunglasses in quick to go shopping when we can go shopping again. Like I said, this up here on the board that we have is the navy. And the other colorway makes this really pretty aqua and coral and brown design. So there's one of the bags, the front and the back. And here's the second bag of this way. This is called bark. Don't ask why. But this is called the bark colorway. So these are the 2 bags that this one makes, and these are the colors for the 2 bags that the navy panel makes. And they're labeled bag 1 and bag 2, but you can easily change it up. These 2 are made exactly the way the panel told you as far as which colors to put where, but you can easily switch the back from bag 1 to bag 2 and vice versa. They're really cool. Let's see if I can show you this here. They have a zipper pouch inside, and then the back of it, this is a pocket, which we have a line sewn down the middle to make it a divided pocket. And then it has a cute little, it's like a crossbody bag style. I don't know if I can get myself in here. I'm doing the solo today in the video, but it's a crossbody style. Goes down to about your waist. I can't fit in the video right now, but so again, each panel makes 2 bags. They're really cute for yourself or when you go shopping. They give us gifts for, teenagers, little girls. They love bags. Everybody loves bags. And yes, there's a zipper, and zippers are fun. Those of you who know me, I say that all the time because they really are fun. But I will confess, I didn't make these samples. My mom did. Most of you know my mom, Linda, who shop here regularly. She made these, and she doesn't always believe me that zippers are fun, but she told me that this was the easiest she's ever put a zipper in a bag. So again, they're not hard, don't be scared. The kits will have the panel in your choice of navy or bark colorway. We'll have 2 zippers and fusible fleece. There'll be 2 pieces of fusible fleece that you'll need to make these bags. That's all there is to it. The directions are down here on the bottom of the panel. Again, you don't need a separate pattern to make it. Everything's written on the panel. And then if you've never used fusible fleece before, I just happen to have a piece in my pocket because who doesn't carry a piece of fusible fleece in their pocket? You can't see it on the picture, but if you've never used it before, don't be scared of anything fusible. You'll be able to feel it. The side that's fusible, that sticks to it when you iron it, is bumpy. The other side is just, it feels like batting or fleece, henceforth fusible fleece. So the bumpy side is what you're going to put against your fabric. So if I was the wrong side of the fabric, that's where you put it. And you're going to iron it on a steam setting for about 10 to 15 seconds. You don't want to iron it too long because you can actually melt it and it won't stick if it's too high of heat. So you put it kind of on a medium high, not totally high heat. Press it on steam for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure you lift and press. Don't do this when you're doing it. But my mom said they took about an hour to an hour and a half per bag, depends how fast you sew. But they're a really cute, quick, fun project to do while you're stuck inside, and you'll have 2 gifts to make out of it. So again, this is called the Runaround Bag, and this is the navy colorway, and these 2 bags are the bark colorway, and you'll find them on our website. If you'd like to place an order for pickup, just email us or give us a call. We're not really in the store very much to answer the phone, so email is a way better option for right now. But again, here's the up close of what they look like, front, back. I don't know actually which way is the front or the back. With the zipper or not, I guess it depends to you. And then again, this is the navy colorway. Navy, bark, Runaround Bag kit. It'll be on our website. Thanks for watching.